Hello and welcome back to the free online woodworking school. In this series, we are going to be making a beautiful keepsake box for storing sentimental items that combines elements from the dovetail box that we made many years ago and a toolbox that we made many years ago. However, this time we're going to be doing something quite exciting, which is using a range of, let's call them affordable tools, which kind of hit that middle range of the budget, as opposed to me using my normal premium high-end tools that might not be too relatable to a lot of you. What's nice about these middle of the range tools is they are not so expensive that they're out of the budget of many people, but they're also not cheap enough so that they don't work. Middle of the road is always what I advise people to buy, and the range of products that I'm going to be using in this series tick that box perfectly. They've been selected by me and they've been provided by our series sponsor, Axminster Tools, which I am very excited about to announce as the sponsor for this series, and I'll explain shortly why this is such a big deal. Now in this series, to make this box, I'm going to be using one of our pre-machined project packs. These are available from our store, which is linked in the description, and what's special about these is firstly, they negate the need to have your own machinery to machine up the components required to make this box. Secondly, we machine these in bulk, and so we can bring that price down to be much cheaper than if you were to approach a sawmill asking for a one-off cutting list. We machine loads of these and we send them out to people with all the hardware and the accessories and stuff required to make the box from start to finish. All you need is the workbench and the tools. Now, while we do have ways of bringing in revenue for the free online woodworking school, it has ran at a loss the past few years while we kind of find our feet with things, conceptualize what it could become, and also give confidence to sponsors who we reach out to asking for sponsorship. You know, we need to have some sort of proof that we know what we're doing. And so having Axminster Tools agree to sponsor this series is a massive step in the right direction for us, because it gives us the funding we need up front to produce hopefully more of these series and to a much higher quality. Axminster Tools have been in the woodworking industry for over 50 years, and I'm proud to say that I was along for the ride for 5 years of that journey. In fact, I attribute much of where I am today to that company and the people who work there, and I've been a very strong advocate for them ever since. They cater to every woodworker from beginner to professional and have a range of 11,000 tools, machines and workshop consumables that have been hand selected by industry professionals. They're proud supporters of British manufacturing, and not only do they source many of their products within the UK, but they also design and manufacture many of their own tools in their own state-of-the-art facility in the southwest of the UK. You can get free product advice over the phone, online or in store to ensure you have the right tool for the right job. And if you need any inspiration, you can find a range of projects online at axminstertools.com, all of which is supported by their award-winning customer service. Now, links to all of the products that I'm using in this series will be linked below every video. And so if you click on any of those links and go through to Axminster Tools and make a purchase, we will actually get a small commission at no extra cost to you, which is a really great way of supporting what we do here, and also get yourself a shiny new tool in the process. And in addition to that, you'll also find links for the project packs, the plans, and any extra resources that we think might be helpful to you while you create this box. We've had a ton of success stories from the free online woodworking school over the years, and we cannot wait to see what you produce. I hope you enjoyed the series, and we'll see you in the first video.